Every day, a plethora of students journey through the hallways of Howard University's C.B. Powell building, home to Howard's world-renowned School of Communications. However, many of the students who traverse the building are unaware of its significant historical relevance. The very building that today's students have come to know for 8 a.m. lectures and other various classes began its history in 1909, when it was built as the new Freedmen's Hospital. It was a state-of-the-art facility with 278 beds to treat African Americans in the D.C. area. The hospital's history itself predates the facility, however, as the original Freedmen's Hospital was founded at another location in the district in 1862. It was the first hospital to serve former slaves, as well as the first major hospital established specifically to serve the African American community of the greater D.C. area. It also included an asylum to treat mentally ill patients. The hospital became a teaching facility for Howard University's medical school, and eventually became Freedmen's School of Nursing. The construction of the new building attracted Charles R. Drew, a surgeon and hospital administrator. Drew ran the hospital while simultaneously serving as a Howard University medical professor and the chair of the school's Department of Surgery from 1941 to 1950. In 1967, Howard University took over Freedmen's Hospital and operated it until 1975, when the new Howard University Hospital opened on Georgia Avenue. This building has been serving Howard students and DC residents alike ever since. The former Freedmen's Hospital would eventually be declared as the home of Howard University's School of Communications and named after Clellan B. Powell, a highly successful black newspaper publisher. Powell was the owner and publisher of the AMSTERDAM News, an African-American weekly newspaper based in New York. After several decades, Powell sold the paper in 1971 for $2.3 million, and later died of suicide in 1977 after battling with an incurable disease. At the time of his death, Powell left $2.5 million to Howard University, prompting the naming of the building housing Howard's Communications School. Today, if one pays close attention to the front of the C.B. Powell building, they will find the words Freedman Square atop the front entrance, now serving as a gentle reminder of the structure's powerful history.